Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Summer is around the corner and strawberries are going out of season. So this recipe is really interesting. You can make two recipes out of this, a cake frosting as well as an ice cream. It is extremely simple to make with just 4 ingredients. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So the first ingredient that I've taken here is cream cheese. I've used Delecta's cream cheese brand. Adding cream cheese to this recipe is completely optional, but it will give a nice cheesecake flavor to your ice cream or your cake frosting. Now using your hand mixer, whip this cream cheese for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it becomes soft and fluffy. So after about 2 minutes, you can see that the cream cheese has turned pale and soft. We'll scrape the sides and keep this aside. Now to this we'll be adding 1 cup, that is 500 ml of heavy whipping cream. Now on how to use whipping cream, I've already shared a video on whipping cream mistakes. Now if you're planning to make cake frosting or ice cream, please keep the whipping cream from the freezer compartment to the refrigerator compartment 24 hours prior to making the recipe. So here is a tip, your whipping cream should not be frozen, it should not be at room temperature, but it should be chilled. Else it will not form stiff peaks while whipping using a hand mixer. Also, I'm using a non-dairy whipping cream. There are different types of whipping cream. For more information, you can refer to that video. The link will be shared below. Also, the brand of whipping cream that I'm using here, I'll be sharing the link of that as well in the description box below. So after about 3 minutes, you can see waves have started to form. You need to whip this cream for a minimum amount of 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can see I've kept around 200 grams of fresh strawberries washed and cleaned. Cut them into small pieces and add it into a mixer grinder jar and grind it coarsely and not smoothly and keep that ready. So after about 8 to 9 minutes, you can see that the cream has whipped really well. How to test it? Slightly invert the bowl and see if the cream doesn't fall. That means it is ready to be used. Next to this, we'll be adding the third ingredient, that is condensed milk. I'll be adding 1 tin, that is around 350 grams of condensed milk. You can increase or decrease the amount of condensed milk depending on your liking. Now whip this gently until the condensed milk mixes with the whipping cream. Now to this mix, we'll be adding our coarsely ground strawberries. Now gently fold in the ingredients so that they combine really well. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more interesting recipes. Now at this stage, you can use this for frosting your cake, or you can transfer this into an airtight container and then keep it in the freezer compartment for about 6 hours. That is minimum 6 hours and maximum overnight. Now you can see that our frosting or the ice cream recipe is light pink in color, and you can imagine the amount of food color that is being added in these store-bought ones. Swirl with a knife gently on the top to create light patterns. Now it is always better to cover the container with a cling wrap so that ice crystals do not form while the ice cream sets. Now place the lid on top of the cling wrap and cover this container. Place this container in the freezer compartment for a minimum of 8 hours for the ice cream to set. So after about 8 hours, you can see that our ice cream is ready. It is nice, thick and dense, but at the same time creamy. This is an extremely simple recipe with very less ingredients which can be mixed in just 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy this preservative and food color free homemade strawberry cream cheese ice cream with your loved ones. I hope you all liked this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.